Discover your next adventure at Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals, Canada's huggable car dealer, with our 2021 Cadillac XT5 all-wheel drive premium luxury. This sleek SUV redefines sophistication with its blend of premium comfort, cutting-edge tech, and all-season capability, perfect for every drive around Fredericton, New Brunswick, and beyond. Picture yourself surrounded by premium leather seating, warmed by heated seats, and gazing at the endless sky through the panoramic sunroof. With our Cadillac, convenience takes center stage thanks to the power lift gate and smart driver assist features like blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and the driver awareness package. And whether you're cruising city streets or tackling snowy highways, the smooth all-wheel drive performance ensures absolute confidence. Priced at less than $153 weekly, all-inclusive, with $0 down, upgrading your lifestyle has never been easier. Not to mention, this beauty is backed by a factory warranty, plus our 12-month Huggable Guarantee, so you can hit the road stress-free. Take advantage of perks like zero-down financing, topped-up gas tanks, VIP trade-in benefits, and our fun spin-to-win game for up to $500 in free gas. Call us or stop by to book your test drive today.
We'll give you a hug because we love ya. You're a customer.